Today, let's get you introduced to the all-new RYOBI TriPOWER tripod LED light. RYOBI's first ever cordless product that can be operated by an 18-volt 1 Plus battery, a 40-volt battery, or hybrid powered using an extension cord, providing a powerful 3,800 lumens with the included 360-degree LED light, or the ability to use a variety of RYOBI 18-volt lifestyle and recreation products. This all-new product will be a great solution on the job site, in the backyard, and everywhere in between. Let's start with the adjustable tripod. It features a height of up to 7 feet and a 135-degree pivoting head, allowing you to direct the light as needed. TriPOWER technology powers this tripod with any 18-volt 1 Plus battery, 40-volt battery, or an extension cord. The included 18-volt 1 Plus 360-degree LED light is the brightest RYOBI light to date. This light features 4 brightness modes and 4 individually adjustable panels, directing light wherever it is needed. Work all day with up to 15 hours of runtime when using an 18-volt 6-amp-hour battery. For even greater portability, the 360-degree light can be removed from the tripod and powered with any 1 Plus battery. The light features a 2x capable handle and a folding hanging hook, allowing for versatile, hands-free mounting. When the 360-degree light is removed, the TriPOWER tripod is also compatible with various RYOBI 1 Plus lifestyle and recreation products, such as a speaker, a fan, and more, ensuring versatile compatibility. For a full tool compatibility list, simply scan the QR code on the tool mount. When it's time to pack up, collapse the legs and easily carry the TriPOWER tripod to the next job or store away in any corner of the garage or the workshop. The all-new TriPOWER tripod and included 18-volt 1 Plus 360-degree LED light are both backed by the RYOBI 3-year manufacturer's warranty and will be available starting summer 2024 exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.